Hello Jay, welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your question tonight. So this is factor each expression. So we're factoring this expression. It's a trinomial with a square, an n, and then a number. So what we want to do is we find the number that multiplies to the last number and adds to the second number. But the only problem is that you can only use that when there is no number in front of the squared variable. So what I do here, I get the two parentheses that are two factors and find the two numbers that multiply to 2n. And the only two numbers are 2n times n equals n squared. All right? And then I find the two numbers that multiply to 7. So that's 7 and 1. So since these are both positive, I know that these are going to be positive. And to check for 15, it has to, if we FOIL it out, we'll do the outsides, which is 2n times 7 is 14n plus n times 1, which is n, comes out to 15n. So that's why you have to check it, because if I switched it up and did this instead, this would not be the factor right here, even though these multiply to 2n squared, and then these multiply to 7. This would multiply to 2n squared, then plus 9n plus 7. So this is not the factor. These are the factors right here. So it's almost the same, but you just work backwards and check by foiling. So you find the two things that multiply to the first one and the two things that multiply to the last one, and just make sure when you FOIL it, it adds up to the middle term. All right, Jay, thank you for sending in your question tonight, and we look forward to answering more of your questions in the future. Have a good night.